Hello, my name is Kay. Welcome to my channel if you are new. And if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. So, Easter was over 2 weeks ago, and I am still stuck with extra eggs. I want to do something different, but what? Something I've never done before. Let's fry these suckers. Right, we have a dozen eggs. Let's throw them in a pot. Let's boil these suckers. 1 hour later. Alright, it's been an hour. They're now boiled. Let's peel them. But first, before we do that, I got a pot here filled with oil. And we're heating up this oil, getting ready to fry. Okay, back to these eggs. Stick this aside over here. I don't know if you guys can hear that oil over there. It's popping, so it's ready to go. Grab a bowl, grab some eggs, and let's peel them. Okay, perfect. Throw them in the bowl. Alright, all 12 eggs have been peeled and placed in the bowl. Now, if you noticed, after I boiled the eggs, you saw them back in the container, the egg carton. That's because after they were boiled, I put them back in the carton to cool them down. Alright, now we have a bowl of eggs. We have some Italian style breadcrumbs in this bowl, and egg yolk, and this one. Alright, let's grab an egg. Dip it in that yolk. Coat it. Coat it. Coat it in that yolk. Now let's drop it in the breadcrumbs. Since that oil is nice and hot, we are going to throw this one in that oil. Fry that up. Coat some more eggs. Just drop it in that breadcrumb. Coat it in that breadcrumb. That one's good. Let's drop that in there as well. Next to that other one. Coat this one. And just keep going. Same process. Egg crumbs. Egg crumbs. It's gonna get messy. That's okay. That is okay. This one's done. And just carry on the process. Over and over and over. Just keep doing the same thing. This is nice and brown all on both sides. Let's take it out. Yum! Yummy. Look how golden brown that egg is. The brown eggs that I purchased, they come in this paper-like carton, which is awesome for this because you can place the eggs in there after frying, and with that paper, recyclable paper material, it absorbs the oil. Done. All right, let's take a look. Now let's try one. Not to sound corny, but with it being fried, it tastes like chicken. A little bit of hot sauce on top. Yes. Oh, that's good. It's got a kick. I forgot to show you the inside. Yum. There you have it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like to see more of my videos, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, cooking and kisses.